Hey there, art lovers! Take a look at this air-dry clay kit, the perfect kit for beginners and experienced artists alike. The kit includes everything you need to create beautiful clay works right at home. You get 3 1-pound bags of self-hardening clay that dries without cracking, 5 sculpting tools, a smoothing sponge, 6 vibrant acrylic paints, 7 different sized brushes, and a pot of gloss varnish. The air-dry clay is incredibly soft and easy to work with. It dries naturally within 24 to 48 hours, and no kiln is required. The acrylic paint offers a fantastic coverage and vibrant colors, while the different brush sizes let you add all the details you want. And once you're done, the special gloss varnish gives your creation a professional shine and lasting protection. The comprehensive step-by-step guide is super helpful, especially for beginners like me, with detailed instructions and tips to inspire your creativity. It makes the whole process fun and stress-free. It also makes a fantastic gift for any art enthusiast in your life. So why wait? Dive into the world of clay sculpting and let your creativity soar. Happy sculpting!